Welcome to your 11th mathematics class. In last video, we take some formulas about practical problems on union and intersection of sets. Okay, today I will take a exercise, that is exercise 1.6. Okay, so I take first question. So first question say if x and y are two sets such that nx equals 17 and y equal 23 and x union y equal 38, so find an x intersection y. So how we make its solve? Okay, so I take complete method. Okay, because we have given nx equals 17 and y equal what is 23 and x union y equal what is 38. So question say find an x intersection y. So we take the formula of, because we have a formula in last video, we derivate some formulas. Okay, so one formula is n x union y equal, so what is the formula? Nx plus ny minus nx intersection y, that is its formula. Okay, put all value here. Nx union y is 38 and nx is 17 plus ny is 23 minus nx intersection y. Okay, so at 38 equal 17 plus 23 is what is that is 40 minus nx intersection y. So we have find the value of nx intersection y. So the sign is here minus, when go there it's plus, and 38 is here in plus, when go there it is in minus. So we can say that n x intersection y equal 40 minus 38 and its value is what is 2, and 2 is my final answer. Okay, very easy type question. So pause the video and make the question number first. Now I take question number second. Now I take question number second. So question number second say if x and y are two sets such that x union y has 18 elements, x has 8 elements and y has 15 elements. So how many elements does x intersection y have? So what is given? So we write here. So in question say x and y are two sets such that x union y has 18 element. It means x union number of element in x union y. So number of element means nx union y, that is number of element in x union y equal, that is given, that is 18. After that x has 8 elements, so nx equal, that is 8, and y has 15 elements, so it means ny equal what is 15 elements. So how many elements does x intersection y has? So it means number of element in x intersection y is unknown here. So n x intersection y equal, that is question mark. Okay, that is question mark, that is not 9, that is question mark. Okay, so for solving this problem we take the formula of nx union y, because we have a formula. So nx union y equal nx plus ny minus nx intersection y. Put all values here. So nx union y is 18 equal nx plus ny minus, that is okay, we put here nx plus ny, we put. Okay, so nx value is 8 plus ny value is 15 minus nx intersection y is unknown. So 18 equal 15 plus 8 is 23 minus nx intersection y. So here is minus. So when go there, that is in plus. So how I find an x intersection y equal, what is that is 18 is here plus, when go there minus. So 23 minus 18 equal, that is 5. So number of element in x intersection y is 5. Okay, that is your answer. Okay, very easy type question. So pause the video and make question number second very easily. Okay, now I take question number third. Now I take question number third. So question number third say, in a group of 400 persons, 250 can speak Hindi and 200 can speak English. How many persons can speak both Hindi and English? Okay, so in question, that is a theoretical type question. Okay, so at first we change the question into set form. Okay, so here we have two type of group. Okay, first group is those person who speak Hindi. So first group is Hindi speaking person group, and second group is English speaking group. Okay, so at first we take two side, because in the question two type of group, it means Hindi and English speaking group. Okay, so first we take the group into set form. Okay, so first is um, uh, let let the set of, let the set of those person, set of those person who speak Hindi. Okay, that is A. Okay, let the you will give any name X Y Z P Q R. Okay, I name the group is A. Let this set of those person who speak Hindi equal A. Similarly, let the set of those person who speak English, that is, I name this set is B. Okay, so we have two set. First is Hindi group is A and English group is B. After that, the question say in a group 400 person. So it means we have a group. Okay, we have a group in which some persons speak, some persons are speaking Hindi and some persons are speaking English. So it means in a group we have total number of persons is how many? 400. Okay, after that 250 can speak Hindi. It means in NA equal number of person, it means number of element means number of person who speak Hindi language. Number of person, it means n means number of element. Number of element, it means जो आपका सेट है A है वो किसका है? Persons का सेट है. Okay, which type of set? Those type of set in which those person who speak Hindi. It means set A के अंदर आपके हिंदी बोलने वाले जो person है उनका क्या है? Set है. So it means how many number of persons are here? 250 can speak Hindi. So it means that is 250. Clear? After that 200 can speak English. It means number of person who speak English. So English set name is B. So that are how many? 200. Okay, clear? After that in a group of 400 person, it means total number of person, it means total number of person, it means that is number of element in A union B. because आपके जो टोटल नंबर ऑफ पर्सन है वो है कहाँ? कुछ पर्सन्स हिंदी बोलने वालों में है, कुछ पर्सन्स इंग्लिश बोलना है. सपोज दैट सेट नेम इज A एंड हियर इज सेट B. लुक एट, दैट इज अ यूनिवर्सल सेट. सो आपका जो ग्रुप है उसमें कुछ पर्सन्स हिंदी बोल रहे हैं और कुछ पर्सन्स क्या बोल रहे हैं? इंग्लिश बोल रहे हैं. सो इट मीन्स total number of person in a group, it means that is a group. So that is called A union B. So it means total number of person equal 400. Clear? Any tough? Okay, so how many person can speak both Hindi and English? So number of person, so number of person so number of person can speak both Hindi and English equal. So it means where is the people, where is the person who speak both हिंदी and इंग्लिश. इट मीन्स हिंदी और इंग्लिश दोनों को बोल रहे हैं. सो इट मीन्स अब देखो ये सेट आपके हिंदी बोलने वालों का है, ये सेट आपके इंग्लिश बोलने वालों का. तो ऐसे पर्सन्स कहाँ पर हैं जो हिंदी और इंग्लिश दोनों को बोल रहे हैं. बोथ मीन्स दोनों को बोल रहे हैं. सो इट मीन्स दैट पर्सन आर हियर. ओके, सो इट मीन्स व्हाट इज द नेम ऑफ दिस पार्ट? That part is called A intersection B. So it means number of persons means NA intersection B. Clear? Any tough? Very easy. Now I remove the Venn diagram. Okay. अब यहाँ पर इसकी कोई जरूरत है नहीं, आप चाहे तो बना सकते हैं, नहीं तो ऐसे कर लेते हैं. Okay. So here, so हमको find क्या करना है? So how many person can speak both Hindi and English? So it means we have find here NA intersection B. Why I find? बिकॉज बोथ का मतलब एक देखो वो हिंदी भी बोलेगा, ए इज द ग्रुप ऑफ हिंदी एंड बी इज ए ग्रुप ऑफ इंग्लिश. सो इट मीन्स बोथ बोलने का मतलब हिंदी के अंदर भी है और इंग्लिश के अंदर भी है. इट मीन्स बोथ साइड होना चाहिए. ओके, सो वी टेक हियर अ फॉर्मूला एन ए यूनियन बी, दैट इज एन ए प्लस एन बी माइनस एन ए इंटरसेक्शन बी. Okay, so put the value here. NA union B is 400 equal NA is 250 plus NB is 200 minus NA intersection B. Okay, now at 400 equal 250 plus 200 is 450 minus NA intersection B. Okay, now for solving the equation you will use the transposing method. Okay, and intersection B is here in minus. When we transpose here, so that is plus. 400 is here plus. When go there, that is minus. Very easy. So n A intersection B equal what is 450 minus 400 and its value is 50. That is answer. Okay, it means total number of person who can speak both Hindi and English are 50. So it means 50 persons ऐसे होंगे जो both हिंदी और इंग्लिश दोनों को बोलेंगे. एक बार वेन डायग्राम में भी इसको समझते हैं. ओके, that is a set of that is a set of person who speak Hindi and that is a set of those person who speak English. So it means 50 persons are here. It means those type of person who speak both हिंदी के अंदर भी है देखिए एंड इंग्लिश. क्लियर? वेरी इजी. एनी टफ? आप बताएं ऐसे कितने पर्सन्स हैं जो केवल हिंदी बोलते हैं, ओनली हिंदी? अगर मैं कहूँ कि ओनली हिंदी स्पीकिंग पर्सन्स कितने होंगे? हिंदी स्पीकिंग वाले टोटल 250 हैं. सो हिंदी स्पीकिंग वाले 50 पर्सन्स यहाँ पर आ चुके हैं. तो यहाँ पर कितने बचे? 200 पर्सन. तो देखो अब हिंदी स्पीकिंग के अंदर टोटल कितने पर्सन्स हैं? काउंट 200 plus 50 is 250. Now total number of person who speak English is 200. So 50 persons are here on English side. Okay, so the remaining persons are here 150. So English बोलने वाले टोटल कितने पर्सन हो गए? 150 plus 50 equal 200. So count total number of person in the group. In the group total number of person is 200 plus 50 is 250 and plus 150 is 450. No, sorry, 50 plus 150 is 200. 200 plus 200 is 400. So it means total number of person in a group is 400. Okay, so very easy type question. So वेन डायग्राम बनाना चाहें तो बना सकते हैं, नहीं तो इसकी कोई भी यहाँ पर जरूरत नहीं है. Okay, so very easy type question. So make question number 3 very easily. Okay, so make the question number 3. Okay, so question number 4 is very easy. Question number 4 says is like the question number 2. Okay, so question number 4 you make self. Okay, now I take question number question number fifth is very question number fifth is also very easy, because question number fifth say if x and y are two sets such that x has 40 element, it means nx equal 40, and x union y has 60 element, it means nx union y equals 60, and x intersection y has 10 element, it means nx intersection y equal 10. So how many elements does y have? So it means we have in the question we have find out ny. Okay, take the formula, okay, and put all value here, and the unknown value you will find by using this formula. Okay, so make question number 5 self. Okay, now we take question number 6. Okay, now I take question number 6. So in question number 6, say in a group of 70 people, question number 6 is like as like the question number what is that is 3. Okay, very easy question. So हम इसको थोड़ा सा start कर लेते हैं, बाकी आप इसको finish आप करेंगे. Okay, in a group 70 people, 37 like coffee, 52 like tea, and each person like at least one of the two drinks. How many people like both coffee and tea? It means we have a group in which total number of people are 70, and okay, and on the 70 people, at each person like at least one of the two drink. It means जो हमारे 70 नंबर का जो ग्रुप है उसमें ईच पर्सन जो है वो या तो क्या करेगा, टी और कॉफ़ी में से कोई ना कोई ड्रिंक को क्या करता है, लाइक करता है. ओके, सो इट मीन्स कोई भी ऐसा पर्सन नहीं है जो कोई भी ड्रिंक को लाइक, मतलब कॉफ़ी और टी तो पीना ही पीना है उनमें से. ठीक है, ओके, जो 70 पीपुल का ग्रुप है उसमें से कोई ना, हर देखो कोई पर्सन ऐसा नहीं होगा जो कॉफ़ी और टी के अलावा कोई चीज़ नहीं पी रहा है. ओके, सो इट मीन्स वो क्या करेगा, बिकॉज इन द क्वेश्चन से ईच पर्सन लाइक एट लीस्ट वन ऑफ द टू ड्रिंक, इट मीन्स कोई लेफ्ट हुआ नहीं हुआ. सो we have two type of group are here. First group is coffee group and second group is tea group. Okay, so at first we make the group into set form. Okay, so first set is uh, let the set of let the set of person who like coffee equal that name, I give that name is A. Let the set of person who like tea, that set is B. Okay, so after that question say how many person like both coffee and tea. It means both coffee and tea means here is in rough work, if we make here is set A, here is set B, so it means that set is the coffee and that set is tea set. So it means both coffee and tea. Where is the both coffee and tea part? It means both coffee and tea part is here. It means that part is, देखो ये जो पार्ट है वो हमारे कॉफ़ी के अंदर भी है एंड टी के अंदर भी है, क्योंकि बोथ मीन्स दोनों के अंदर होना है, वो कॉफ़ी पीने वाला भी होना है और टी पीने वाला भी होना है. ओके, so number of people here is person. ओके, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं, पर्सन आप पर्सन को पीपल भी कर सकते हो. ओके, सो नंबर ऑफ पर्सन who like both coffee and tea, that is called NA intersection B. Why I take A intersection B? It means आपको ऐसे पीपल कहाँ मिलेंगे, इस पार्ट में मिलेंगे. So it means that is called A intersection B, and number of person means NA intersection B. Okay, now question have in a group 70 people. It means total number of people is 70. It means in the group, it means group is tea group plus coffee group. So it means total number of person inside the group is 70. So it means that is called an A union B equal 70. After that 37 like coffee. It means an A equal what is 37 and 52 like T. So it means NB equal, it means 52. Okay, so we have find out NA intersection B. So we take the formula NA union B, that is NA plus NB minus NA intersection B. Very easy type, put all value here and you will find out the value of NA intersection B. So you will solve. Okay, now solve the question. Okay, very easy question, that is question number 6. Okay, after question number 6 I take question, कर तो लेंगे ना इसको, very easy type question. Any problem? So put the values, that is 70, that is 37, that is 52, that is unknown. After that use transposing method. Okay, now I take question number 7. Okay, so question number 7 say in a group of 65 people, it means first thing is total number of person in the group, that is 65. 40 likes cricket. Okay, 10 likes both cricket and tennis. How many like tennis only and not cricket? How many like tennis? Okay, so in the question we have two type of group. It means first group is those persons who like cricket and second group is those persons who like tennis. Okay, so at first we make the group into set. Okay, at first we name the group. Okay, it means A B C D. Okay, it means first let the set of people who like cricket, that is A. Okay, let the set of people who like tennis, that I name is B. Okay, so it means we have two group. Here is, that is cricket group, and here is tennis group, that name is B. Okay, so it means in a group of 65 people, it means total number of people we have how many? 65. So it means NA union B equal, what is total number of people? It means those people are inside cricket and also in tennis. So it means that part is total, that shaded part is called total in a group of 65 people. It means we have total group. It means total group के अंदर पर्सन जो होंगे वो कहाँ कहाँ होंगे? कुछ पर्सन्स क्रिकेट खेल रहे होंगे, कुछ पर्सन्स टेनिस खेल रहे होंगे. इट मीन्स दोनों को अगर हम कंबाइन कर देंगे तो हमारा क्या बन जाएगा? टोटल ग्रुप बन जाएगा. ओके, सो इट मीन्स total number of people are 65. Okay, after that question say 40 like cricket. It means in cricket group total number of people are 40. It means total that group in this group how many peoples? 40. So NA equal how many peoples? 40. After that question say 10 like both cricket and tennis. So it means both cricket and tennis part is here. That part is common part. It means that part is inside cricket and also in tennis part. क्योंकि ये जो part है वो cricket के अंदर भी है, tennis के अंदर भी है. So it means that part name is A intersection B, common part. So it means NA intersection B, that is what is, because both 10 like both cricket and tennis. So it means that is 10. Clear? After that question say how many like tennis only. Okay, एंड नॉट क्रिकेट. अब जो बीच वाला जो द मिडिल पार्ट, इसको मैं बाद में सॉल्व करूंगा. एट फर्स्ट वी फाइंड हाउ मेनी लाइक्स टेनिस. पहले हम इसको फाइंड करेंगे. ओके, इसको हम बाद में फाइंड करेंगे. सो हाउ मेनी लाइक्स टेनिस, इट मीन्स आपको टोटल नंबर ऑफ पीपल किसके अंदर फाइंड करने हैं? सेट बी के अंदर टोटल नंबर ऑफ पीपल फाइंड करने हैं. ओके, इन दिस ग्रुप. ओके, सो टोटल नंबर ऑफ, so number of person who like what is tennis equal, so what is it means NB, it means tennis persons are in set B. Okay, so we have a formula NA union B equal NA plus NB minus NA intersection B. So put all value here. NA union B is 65 equal NA value is 40 plus NB value is, what is NB? NB is unknown because number of person who like tennis is NB. Okay, NB we have here find out. So NB minus NA intersection B is, NA intersection B is 10. Okay, so 65 equal 40 minus 10 is 30 plus NB. Okay, so NB equal what is 30 is here in plus, when we transpose here its sign is minus. So 65 minus 30, so its value is 35. It means that is answer of our second part. So how many person, how many people likes tennis? That answer is 35. Okay, now I take the first part of the question, that is how many likes tennis only and not cricket. अब ऐसे पर्सन्स कहाँ पे हैं, तो इसके लिए एक बार वेन डायग्राम हम रफ यूज करेंगे. ओके, सो इट मीन्स दैट इज ए ग्रुप ऑफ cricket person and that is a group of tennis person. Okay, so what if at first I give the answer how many like tennis only not cricket. So number of people, so number of people या person, okay, number of people who like tennis only, tennis only not cricket, equal. Okay, so question say number of people who like tennis only not cricket. It means आपने पढ़ा होगा, देखो if here is set A, here is set B, so A here is B, so what is the meaning of A minus B? A minus B means all the element of set A, all the element of set A not B. It means A minus B means all the element of set B, set A, sorry, A minus B means all the element of set A not B. ठीक तो हुआ. So it means that is called this part. It means set A के सारे आपने एलिमेंट ले लिए और B का कोई भी एलिमेंट नहीं लिया, so that is called A minus B. Clear? So similarly here, so what happened here, look at number of people who like tennis only not cricket. So it means आपको number of people फाइंड करना है जो लाइक क्या करते हैं, टेनिस लाइक करते हैं, नॉट क्रिकेट. सो इट मीन्स आपको नंबर ऑफ पीपुल टेनिस फाइंड करने हैं, दैट पर्सन्स आर हियर, लुक एट हियर. सो इस वाले पार्ट में जितने भी पर्सन्स होंगे वो किसको पसंद करेंगे, देखो नंबर ऑफ पर्सन हु लाइक ओनली टेनिस, ओनली हु लाइक टेनिस ओनली. सो इट मीन्स यहाँ पर जितने पर्सन है वो हमारे किसको लाइक कर रहे हैं, ओनली टेनिस को लाइक कर रहे हैं और नॉट क्रिकेट, क्योंकि इस वाले पार्ट में कुछ ऐसे पर्सन्स भी हैं जो क्रिकेट को भी लाइक कर रहे हैं. देखो कर रहे नहीं कर रहे हैं, तो हमको इस वाले पार्ट के पर्सन को फाइंड करना है ना, ये दिख गया होगा सबको. सो दैट इज कॉल्ड व्हाट इज NA. बताओ अभी हम इस वाले पार्ट को फाइंड करेंगे, तो पहले हम इसको लिख लेते हैं. ओके, सो इस वाले पार्ट को हम, वैसे तो हम वहाँ क्या कहते थे, नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट. ओके, नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट इन B माइनस A फाइंड करना है, because that part is what, okay, what is the part name, that is called B minus A, that part is called B minus A. So it means जो आपके टेनिस वाले पर्सन हैं उनमें से क्रिकेट खेलने वाले पर्सन्स को आपने रिमूव कर देना है, क्योंकि कुछ पर्सन्स ऐसे हैं जो टेनिस और क्रिकेट दोनों खेल रहे हैं ना, तो हमने ये पार्ट फाइंड करना है. सो दैट इज कॉल्ड नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट इन B माइनस A. ओके, सो व्हाट इज द फॉर्मूला. अब B माइनस A के लिए हम B और B के एलिमेंट्स को, ये 35 में से हम डायरेक्ट 40 को तो माइनस कर नहीं सकते हैं, क्योंकि आप इसमें से इस सेट को तो माइनस नहीं करोगे. तो आप इस सेट के अंदर एक चीज़ देखें, सो व्हाट हैपन हियर इक्वल्स, ओके। सो हम क्या करेंगे, देखो इस वाले पार्ट के एलिमेंट को फाइंड करने के लिए हम क्या करेंगे, जो टोटल सेट है दैट सेट नेम इज टोटल, इट मीन्स एन बी। इसके अंदर टोटल पर्सन कितने हैं, एन बी, नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट इन बी। सो व्हाट इज द फॉर्मूला, एन बी माइनस, सो इट मीन्स ऐसे पर्सन्स को हम यहाँ से रिमूव कर देंगे। देखो ये इन पर्सन्स को हमने रिमूव कर दिया ना यहाँ से, क्योंकि ये पर्सन ऐसे हैं जो क्रिकेट भी खेल रहे हैं और टेनिस भी खेल रहे हैं, तो हमने इन पर्सन्स को यहाँ पर से क्या करना है, रिमूव करना है। तो रिमूव करने का मतलब माइनस, सो माइनस ए इंटरसेक्शन बी। सो हमने इस वाले पार्ट्स के एलिमेंट्स को क्या कर दिया, रिमूव कर दिया। तो आपके बचेंगे कहाँ, इसके अंदर ये पार्ट के एलिमेंट बच जाएंगे। क्यों, क्योंकि मैंने नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट इन सेट बी में से दिस पार्ट्स के एलिमेंट्स को क्या कर दिया, रिमूव कर दिया। क्लियर, एनी टफ। सो इट्स वैल्यू इज व्हाट इज एन बी, वैल्यू इज व्हाट इज एन बी, एन बी इज 35 हियर, वी आर फाइंड आउट 35 माइनस एन ए इंटरसेक्शन बी इज 10 इक्वल 25। सो इट मीन्स यहाँ पर टोटल नंबर ऑफ पर्सन कितने होंगे, 25 होंगे इस वाले पार्ट्स में। 10 तो यहाँ हुए ना, देखो 25 में 10 को ऐड कर दोगे तो टोटल आपके इस ग्रुप के अंदर तो आ गए, 10 इस वाले ग्रुप के अंदर 35 पर्सन आ गए। क्लियर, वेरी इजी टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन नंबर 7। ओके, नाउ मेक क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 and question number 8 is very also very easy, that is like as question number 3rd and question number 6th. Okay, so question number 8 you make self. Okay, now here exercise 1.6 is completed. Okay, now make the exercise